好啦，咁咧今日咧我哋咧就簡單係做一做2016年嘅 MC 啊，咁咧就睇翻你嗰個分數咧，其實你就 record 係17分 out of 43啦。咁其實咧呢個成績嚟講咧，其實係對於我嚟講係有少 surprise 嘅，因為其實我 expect 你係會高分少少嘅，因為2016年好老實講就係我自己會話係一年比較簡單嘅一年啦。咁其實我覺得你其實應該唔係唔識嘅，可能係有好多喺即係concept 上啊，或者係好多嘢啦，喺運作上咧都係有啲問題嘅，咁所以就導致咗可能咧你會答得唔啱咁樣嘅。不過我覺得唔緊要嘅，咁我會重點解釋翻你一啲錯嘅題目啦。咁但係最主要咧，我哋首先咧會逐題 go through 嘅。好啦，咁睇翻。我哋做題嚟啦，我哋就 go through 咗第一題先。咁其實第一題咧，你見到啦，其實佢就係問關於呢一個 economic goods 嘅，係啦。咁所以咧，因為咧而家就係 for 你一個 overall 嘅溫書啦，就唔係淨係去到解答呢一份卷啦。咁所以咧，我就講多少少關於考試上嘅一啲嘢啦，咁你都會 equip 得好啲嘅，係啦。咁首先第一樣嘢咧，做 MC 咧，其實都有一啲嘅，我會話一啲 ground rules 嘅。咩叫 ground rules 咧？即係話會有啲我會話最基本嘅規矩嘅，係啦。咁咧我覺得可以等我簡單就寫一寫啲 ground rules 喺度啦。就係啲咩咧？咁你可以有個知字，係啦。咁咧首先就係咧，你會知道咧大概係1至20我唔記得咗27定唔知點樣20幾條咧，係關於呢一個嘅 microeconomics 嘅，係啦。咁所以咧之後咧28去到45咧就會係呢一個嘅 macro， 係啦。咁呢啲我諗你都會知嘅。咁咧正常嚟講咧，你應該做呢個 micro 1至27條咧就會覺得頭嗰啲又好難啊，或者10幾條又好棘住咗啊，咁樣就會有啲問題，咁係好正常嘅。咁其實去到即係20打後咧，係就係越嚟越，即係28打後咧係越嚟越簡單。咁記得啦，個時間上，time management 上，咁咧我上次咧又望住你做咧，我覺得你都係做得比較慢嘅，係啦。咁我自己建議係點咧？其實咧你應該係45分鐘咧，就應該要做晒所有題目嘅。嗱，呢個咧係我自己俾你嘅一個建議啦。咁我哋可以輕鬆少少，我哋可以50分鐘左右。咁你預咗咧大概就係1分鐘一條啦。咁咧我間都會教你點樣可以快啲去到睇一題咧。係點樣去到 eliminate 一啲答案啦，或者啲 option。好啦，咁咧我哋就逐題去度睇啦。我哋睇第一題啦。咁咧第一題咧好簡單，就係記唔記得我成日都同你講任何嘢都好，就係啲咩咧？你應該要用 definition 去到做一個出發點。係啦，咁所以咧喺呢一條題目咧都係一樣嘅概念嚟嘅啫，就係你應該要用翻個 definition 嚟做出發嘅。咁咧所以啦，economic good 有啲乜嘢嘅 definition 啊？好簡單，我哋就會知道 economic good 嘅 definition 就係呢一個more of it is preferred 啦，係咪？係啦，more of it is preferred 嘅。咁所以咧就會知道呢一個 definition 啦。咁所以咧我哋就知道咗呢一個大體 general 嘅方向之後啦，我哋咧再逐題逐個 option 去睇啦。佢話 economic goods may not be scarce，咁呢個好唔合係好明顯係唔合理啦。點解啊？因為就係我哋有提及咗佢 by definition 就係佢想要更多㗎嘛，咁想要更多就會有 competition 啦，咁所以佢一定係 scarce resources 嘅。咁同埋記唔記得就係economic good 第二個名就叫做scarce good 啊嘛，呢個稀少嘅一個 good 咁樣，係啦。咁所以呢個都係 by definition。好啦 ，B 啦，咁 B 嗰面就係答案啦，因為more of it is preferred， 即係話想要更多，其實即係話你會 fight for 啲嘢啫嘛，你會 compete for 呢樣 economic good 啫嘛。因為點解咧？其實我哋都可以追溯翻就係 scarcity 嘅 concept 嘅。咁咧就有 scarcity 啦，就會點啊 ？people 咧就會因為有 scarcity，即係意味住目前現有嘅一啲 resources 咧係細過一啲 wants 咁。咁呢樣嘢就會導致啲咩？就會導致 competition， 咁就會導致people compete for 啲 goods。咁呢個係 by definition。咁我覺得就冇話好難。好啦，咁咧再睇下第 C 呢個 option 啦。C 就話 people 啦 prefer economic goods to free goods 啦，即係話 其實咧啲人咧係會想要economic good 咧，就唔想要 free good 嘅。咁咧 C 呢一個咧，其實我都覺得係一個幾好，係攞嚟做解答你一啲concept 上嘅唔明白嘅嘢嘅，係啦。因為咧其實不論係 economic goods 定係 free good 咧，其實 people 咧係 prefer both of them。People prefer both of them。只係咧喺個 nature 上面啦，即係話個屬性上面咧係free good 係你唔會有 competition 嘅。咁其實呢個咧我哋先 definition 後 scenario 後例子啊嘛。咁我哋睇到啦，people prefer economic goods to free goods。咁其實我哋知道 free good 咧其實有啲咩 free good 啊？其實呢一個空氣都係 free good 嘅嘛。咁你唔會話我想要一啲 economic good 啦，可能係我想要一啲錢啦，咁我就唔要空氣啦，係咪？呢個係唔合理嘅。好啦。D 呢個 option 啦，咁都好簡單嘅啫。佢就話 people compete for both economic goods and free good。咁因為 free good 嘅 definition 係啲咩啊 ？free good 嘅 definition 就係、我哋可以睇到啦。free good 咧，其實就係 some of it is preferred 啊嘛。咁 some of it is preferred，即係話我唔會主動去到要求更多，我唔會去俾一個 price 去 obtain 佢嘅，我唔會主動去 fight for 佢嘅。咁所以呢個就係 free good 嘅 definition 啦。咁所以咧，應該呢一條咧係冇乜問題。好啦，之後咧我哋好快咧去到睇一睇第二條啦。咁咧第二條題目咧，我哋好簡單啦。其實呢度咧就係一個小技巧。咁呢個技巧咧就係你睇題目咧，你可以睇最尾嗰句先，即係究竟佢問緊啲咩咧？最尾嗰句係啦。咁咧就係睇下佢問啲咩。睇問翻啲咩？係啦，點解咧？因為其實好簡單嘅。呢個同你講咗啦，咁希望你記低佢或者抄低佢啦。咁我呢度咧就拆咗佢啦。係啦，咁咧點解我睇最尾嗰句咧？你會一嚟啦，當你一 approach 到第二條啦，你就睇啦。To the organizer, these USB flash drivers 乜嘢咧？咁點解要即刻去到睇第二條？即刻睇最尾嗰句咧？係啦，因為最尾嗰句咧，通常都係收埋咗最多 key information 嘅一句嘢。點解咧？嗱，我哋睇到會係邊一個人啦？係啦 ，organizer 啦，同埋講緊個 subject 係啲乜嘢？即係話個 object 係啲咩？係個 USB flash drivers 啊嘛。咁即係話你會知道啦。我而家我要係從一個organizer 嘅一個角色咧，去到出發去考慮呢個 UBS 呢個 USB 嘅flash drivers 係一個乜嘢咁樣嘅，係啦。咁所以咧，我哋先睇呢一句先啦，我哋就會知道啦。我要喺呢一個身份去到考慮呢一樣嘢，呢一個物件噶嘛。咁我哋之後咧就睇晒成條題目咧，去攞個 context。你會見到咧，佢話 During the Hong Kong Computer and Communication Festival， 即係類似係電玩節啊、電競節咁嘅概念啦。佢話 the organizer 咧就 distribute 呢個 USB flash drivers to participants as 一個 gift 啊，係啦。咁你要留意咯。咁其實呢一樣嘢咧，即係呢一個 USB flash drivers 咧，其實佢係咪喺唔同嘅 role 咧睇咧係有唔同嘅嘢啊？係啦，係啦，喺 consumer 去到睇咧，其實佢係一個 consumer good 嚟㗎嘛。因為個 USB drive flash drive 就係直接俾你去到使用啦，直接俾你用啦，係啦。因為點解？因為你係 use it directly。好啦，但係啦 ，on the other hand 咧，其實係 in terms of 呢一個嘅seller 啦，或者我哋叫做呢一個嘅 organizer， 其實佢係第二樣嘢嚟㗎嘛。佢好明顯就係呢一個 producer good。好啦。咁咩叫做 producer good 啊 ？producer good 就係俾你去到用嚟做一啲 further production 嘅嘢啊嘛。by 嗰個即係顧名思義啦，我會認為係啦。咁所以啦，我哋要睇清楚啦，一樣嘢咧對 organizer 又好，對 consumer 嚟講好咧，都會有唔同嘅 perspective 嘅。咁而家咧，我哋鎖死咗咧喺個 organizer 度啦。咁所以咧，我哋就會知道個答案咧，首先一定咧係 producer good 嘅。咁冇 producer good 嘅咧，就可以查咗佢。咁咧，我哋咧第一步啦，呢一個咧就叫做 by elimination， 係啦，即係 by elimination， 就係排除法啊。咁咧係貨你真係做卷咧嘅時候先用嘅。咁你做完卷啦，你要去到解卷啊，咁當然唔好排除啦，係啦。咁我哋逐個去解釋嘅。咁點解一呢個 option 咧就會取消咗咧？咁因為 我哋好明顯知道啦 ，to organizers 嘛，係咪？咁個 organize 即係 organizer，sorry 唔係一啊，係應該要講話係三啊，三呢一個，因為 to 個 organizer 嚟講，佢唔係一個 consumer good 嚟嘅嘛，係啦，因為consumer good 嘅 definition 係啲乜嘢啊？我哋又係啦，一樣用 definition 出發啦，再去到諗佢個 scenario 係點。好啦，咁 consumer good 嘅 definition 就係佢係直接去到使用啊嘛，咁佢先叫消費者物品，係啦。咁因為咧 to the organizer 咧嗰個 USB 咧就唔係佢哋用嘅，相反咧佢哋係攞嚟做一啲further 嘅一啲生意啊嘛。咁所以咧對於一啲 organizer 嚟講咧，佢就係一個 producer good 啦 for further production。咁就 instead 咧就係一個唔係 consumer good 咯，係啦。咁咧economic good 呢樣嘢，我諗唔需要過多嘅解釋啦。咁點解？因為好明顯就係因為佢首先 more of it is preferred 啦，同埋佢係 produced from 呢個 scarce resources which have alternative use 噶嘛，for 呢個 USB drive 嚟講，係啦。咁所以好明顯個答案都會就係圈到咧係 C 嘅，係啦。咁第二題都好簡單啦，好啦。之後啦 ，let's go to 第三條啦。咁咧，同樣地啦，我哋用翻我哋一路學過嘅嘢啦，我哋睇到最尾嗰句先。佢話 which of the following will decrease his cost of having a trip？ 咁咧，我哋就會圈低咗啲乜嘢啲 keywords 咧，就係 decrease 啦，同埋 having the trip 啦。我哋記唔記得啊 ？opportunity cost 嘅題目有啲乜嘢要注意啊？就係睇下佢 increase 定 decrease 啦，同埋睇下佢個動詞係啲乜嘢嘛。而家就話去呢個旅行，佢會放棄咗啲乜嘢咧？咁樣好啦，咁咧我哋睇到呢一個最尾嗰句咧，我哋知要揾啲乜嘢啦。好啦，咁咧我哋就睇一睇真正個 scenario 啦。佢就話咧，阿 Mr. 咧，佢要去日本去旅行，咁佢就問 which of the following would decrease 佢嘅 trip？佢嘅 cost of having a trip。好啦，我哋逐個 n 即係去到最後一個 analyst 啦。好啦，咁咧睇到第一個 option 咧就話 A typhoon is approaching Tokyo right before his trip。係啦，咁呢一個咧，佢有啲乜嘢機會咧？就係佢可能咧係會 decrease 咗喺 Tokyo 呢一個旅行啊，旅行嘅一個嘅 value，因為個天氣係會差咗嘛，咁咪冇咁開心咯，係咪？好啦，第二樣嘢啦，就係 B 呢個 option 啦，就係 His boss is going to treat all the staff to a free buffet during his leave。咁樣咧，即係咩意思啊？嗱，如果我哋 first choice 咧係 going to the trip 啊嘛，咁我 second 嘅一啲嘢係咪就係我放棄咗最高價值嘅嘢？咁其實係 could be 係食呢一個 buffet dinner 啊嘛，係咪？咁而家咧佢就會免費請佢哋食啦，咁佢嘅 value 係升咗，咁所以其實呢一個咧係會升咗佢嘅 opportunity cost 嘅，因為我哋重複諗一諗，咩叫做 opportunity cost 咧？就係你放棄咗嘅嘢嘅一啲代價啊嘛。咁如果你放棄咗嘅代價係放棄咗個 buffet 嘅，咁而家個 buffet 係免費嘅，咁啊即係你放棄咗一個更加正嘅嘢咯，係咪？係啦，好啦 C 啦 ，C 咧就係你 chosen option 嘅 value 升咗啊嘛，即係話你去咗一個地方，你睇到東京好靚，但呢樣嘢係唔會 decrease 你嗰個 opportunity cost 啊嘛，係啦，佢唔會影響嘅。好啦，之後咧去到 D for dog 啦，咁 D for dog 冇乜特別啦。D for dog 就係話 Japanese yen depreciate against other currency。嗱，depreciate 咧呢一個 concept 係啲咩咧？就係貶值啊，即係話而家啲 yen 係平咗。咁咩叫貶值咧？就係話之前一個 HKD 咧，可能可以換到7蚊嗱，假設嘅啫嚇，7個 yen 啦。咁而家可能你一個 HKD 咧可以換到17個 yen 啊。因為點解？因為 yen 嘅價值低咗啊嘛，咁你咪香港就可以換到更加多嘅 yen 咧。咁其實對於阿 Mr. Ng 嚟講咧，佢去香港旅啊，佢去日本旅行嘅話咧，其實佢係可以用更加少嘅 HKD 去買到更多嘅 yen 啊。咁所以咧呢樣嘢咧，對於佢嚟講咧，係佢個 money cost 咧係會下降。咁所以都好正路咁咧，係會 decrease 咗佢嗰個 opportunity cost 啦。咁亦都好簡單嘅第三條。好啦。之後咧去到第四條啦，第四條咧就 more like 係一個我會話係一個 definition 嘅題目啦。咁其實我自己覺得咧係好簡單嘅，係啦。 咁我哋睇逐個 option 啦。佢就話 interest 咧 is the compensation for deferring consumption。好啦，咁你記唔記得咧？我同你 go through 咧 interest 嘅時候咧，我特別同你強調啲乜嘢？就係咧，你一定要考慮嗰個 point of view，即係你要睇清楚你一個乜嘢身份係去到take interest 呢樣嘢係啦。如果你係一個 lender，即係你借嘢俾人嘅，咁 interest 咧其實就係一個 compensation 俾你嚟㗎嘛。相反啦，如果你係借人嘢嗰個咧 interest 咧，佢就係一個 cost 嚟嘅。咁點解咧？我哋其實好容易解釋嘅啫。想象下就係你而家借咗個擦膠俾我啦，咁我還翻個擦膠俾你嘅時候，可能我請你飲嘢啦，咁係咪就係因為我俾翻嗰個嘢飲啊，就係一個 interest 咯？咁對於你嚟講，嗰個嘢飲係咪就係一個賠償啊？因為你借咗個擦膠俾我，搞到你自己冇得用啊嘛。係啦，所以係 compensation for deferred consumption。我 on the other hand 咧，borrower 啦，即係我啦，嗰包嘢飲係咪就係一個 cost 啊？即係話我要借你個擦膠，咁我都要有啲成本去換噶嘛。咁我就係、我嘅做法就係俾咗一個擦膠你啦。好啦，咁呢一度啦，你會見到啦，佢又有 compensation，又有 deferred consumption 啦，係咪？咁所以咧呢個好明顯咧就會係 by definition 啦，咁所以啱嘅。好啦，第二個啦 ，interest exists because people are impatient to wait。咁呢個講過俾你聽啦，就係 by definition 嘅啫。三啦 ，interest exists in the barter economy。好啦，barter economy 即係乜嘢？即係以物易物啊嘛。咁佢嘅意思即係話，interest 利息呢個概念咧，就唔一定咧要用錢銀嘅一個方式去到 present。咁樣咧，其實係可以用第二啲方式嘅，例如係可以譬如話俾啲 goods 你啦咁樣嘅。咁呢個好合理嘅，亦都好正路啦。咁好似我啱啱講就係、我可以比較擦膠我啦，我比較擦膠你嘅時候還翻支嘢飲俾你。咁嘅嘢飲咪就係 interest 咯。咁呢樣嘢咪已經 illustrate 咗interest 係可以用一個喺 barter economy 嘅形式去到 illustrate 嘅，係啦。咁呢個咧就係第四條啦。好啦，之後咧我哋咧就去到第五條啦。好啦，同樣地啦，跟翻我第一步嘅 approach 係啲乜嘢啊？就係、要睇最尾嗰句嘛。佢就話 Which of the following rights would Marlene have after purchase of the book？ 好啦，你會見到咧，佢係問一啲 rights 嘅。咁我哋學過啲咩 rights 咧？其實我哋就冇學過太多 rights 嘅啫。最主要咧都應該會係 private property rights，係咪 PPR 嘛？即係話我哋買咗個 goods 之後咧，我哋係可以有一啲用佢嘅權利啦，用佢嚟賺錢嘅權利啦，用好多唔同等等嘅一啲權利，係啦。咁所以咧，其實咧我哋就可以睇一睇啦。我哋睇完最尾一句啦，係啦。然後咧，我哋會大概知道咧，我哋大概要 output 啲乜嘢啦。然後咧，我哋就去睇睇個題目啦。佢咧就話啲咩咧？佢話 Marlene 咧，佢買咗一本咧煮嘢食嘅書，係啦。咁佢嘅 friend Kitman 咧就問啦：喂，You have private property rights to this cookery book 咁樣啦。佢話：你有 PPR 嘅喎。咁咧就問翻你啦：喂，其實 PPR 係啲乜嘢啊？好啦，咁咧同樣嘅做法啦，喺個腦度先 definition 啊嘛，記唔記得啊？先 definition 後 scenario 啊嘛。好啦，我哋先諗一諗PPR 有啲乜嘢嘅即係具體實質上係啲乜嘢啦。咁你會知道嘅，就會有呢個 exclusive 嘅 right to use 啦，係咪？之後仲有啲咩啊？仲有 exclusive right to 用佢去到 generate 一啲 income，同埋啦 right to transfer 噶嘛。好啦，我哋睇一睇啦，有乜嘢咧係 match 係 apply 翻落呢三個規矩，呢三個 rules 咧。第一，佢話 to follow the recipes in the book in preparing a dinner for Kitman。咁呢一個係屬於啲咩啊？咪即係 to use 啊嘛。咁佢有冇呢個 rights？Of course，佢有呢個 right 啦。你買咗一本嘢，但係你都冇個 right 去到用，咁好唔合理啦，係咪？好啦，第二啦 ，to scan and upload the whole book to a blog。咁呢個其實我會話有少 common sense 啦。咁呢樣嘢係 file 嚟咗啲乜嘢 ？file 嚟咗個 copyright 啦。咁其實呢樣嘢係好明顯嘅。咁好明顯係唔得啦， 係咪？咁所以我哋就會 by elimination 咧，就已經係查走咗有意義嘅一個 option，已經好快可以圈到3，即係 C 噶啦。好啦，咁當然啦，我哋要睇一睇每一個 option。好啦，3啦，就話 to leave the book on the bookshelf without reading it，咁呢個 of course 係可以啦。第4啦，to lend the book to Kitman and ask for dinner in return，呢個係冇問題嘅，係啦。sorry 啊，唔好意思。好啦，呢個係冇問題嘅，因為咧其實佢 as long as 佢係冇 file 嚟到啲咩 rules 啊等等嗰啲嘢，係啦。咁呢一條我睇翻先，係啦，睇翻你咧就冇話即係話好錯噶。咁你都答得啱嘅，係啦。咁我覺得 OK 啊，冇問題。你答得啱呢條咧係好好嘅。好啦，咁你頭嗰5條咧，so far 咧，我覺得咧係冇乜難度嘅，係啦。咁我哋咧就可以繼續 move 翻落去啦。